Hello and welcome to the continuing video of an introduction to basic QuickBooks Online, known as QBO, by the way. Again, my name is Mark Murtha. I'm one of the owners of MPM Bookkeeping. And if you do like the video, please subscribe at the end of the video. Feel free to comment in the section down below and share it if you would like. What we're going to do is we're going to be looking at an area of QBO called Accounts and Settings. And I'm going to show you how to get to that. And it's actually very simple, very straightforward. I'm not going to look at every single item in this because it's beyond the scope of this presentation. What you see now is when you log into QuickBooks Online, this is your dashboard. And I'm not going to go over the things here because really you're not going to look at much here. You're going to look at the individual areas. So how you get to Accounts and Settings is you go in the upper right-hand corner, you click the cog wheel, and there's a drop-down list, and you click Accounts and Settings. This is basically the information about your company and where QuickBooks gets this information about your company. So the first page you look at here, again, I'm not going to go over each individual item. I'm going to look at areas, basically company name, and that has a lot of different things: EIN number, social security number, the name of your company, company type, what type of company it would be, industry it would be, contact information, your email, phone number, and so website, so on, your address, your how you communicate with Intuit at the bottom. We move now to the next area, which is called usage. What usage is basically the availability of the areas and how many people or how many things you can use within that area. For instance, a chart of accounts, you can have 44 different accounts in there. As you go up in QuickBooks Online Plans, you can have many more in that. We'll get into that later, so we're not going to look really much at chart of accounts today. The sales area, which is the next area we're going to look at, has a lot of different items. Again, I'm not going to look at each item. The first section is sales form content. The next area is products and services. Then you have late fees and a number of other areas here as well that you can fill in things so the QuickBooks knows how to interact with you. Then if we look at expenses, you're going to have bills and expenses, purchase orders, and any messages that you're going to generate. The next area is time. The time has just a general area where it's going to ask you the first day of your work week. And you can see this is Monday. And again, this is a sample account in QuickBooks Online. So it's not confidential information. The first day of the week here is on a Monday. The final area is your advanced area where there's different settings in here. For instance, the first month of the fiscal year, this is for accounting. And your accounting method, this is accrual. And company type, whatever your company type would be, that's something you'll fill out when you're filling these forms out. Chart of accounts, your category, your automations, projects, currency. This is United States dollar. If there's another currency, you put that in here. And down here, there's something that is sort of important, interesting here. At the bottom, it says, sign me out if inactive for 1 hour. So if you're working on QuickBooks Online and you move away from your computer and you don't come back within an hour, it'll sign you out. You can adjust this, by the way. You can go up to 3 hours on this if you want to. So if we go out of this to get back to the dashboard, you simply click on the X in the upper right-hand corner. That will take you back to the dashboard. And that's very simple. As I said, very straightforward, very simple. And if you like this video, again, please subscribe in the bottom right-hand corner. Please give us some comments if you have any other things you'd like to see, and give us a thumbs up, please. Thank you for your day and have a very good weekend.